If welcome back to my video. Please, I'm not feeling too well. Like I've been so stressed. So please try and listen attentively. Don't come to my email and be asking me questions I've repeated. I'll charge you money for consultation if people know me. So please listen to simple instructions and follow it. But then I trust you guys. So far, anytime I come and make videos, I'm actually even surprised how very organized you guys have been. You don't mess up my emails, and most of you that have sent me email, you can confirm how fast I respond, because you people used to follow common rules and regulation. You get, like, the type of viewers where God just blessed me with. I don't know what he did. You people are very organized. If I say send money before CV, if I say you people do as I stated. Thank you so much for making my work easy for me. It's just one or two persons that maybe they're just coming across my channel. So I know that you people used to follow simple instruction, but some people used to follow tight and they will run. Please, you see the way I'm sounding. All of them feel I don't have strength to be explaining for somebody. So I'm appreciating you people. You people used to follow instruction. So now the thing is, I got a new company, right, for Canada. You people know the first one I posted. They don't allow deposits, and don't let me go into detail. So they allow, like, you have to pay your money in advance, right? So I got another company. They do not take deposits. Not that they not take deposits. You people know now. I was able to negotiate for no deposits and all of those things, like drag their grandfather. You know, all those things. That's one of the things that I've lost my voice. So the thing is, they don't allow. Please, sorry. We've agreed that no deposit, and this one is work visa. All jobs is available. So please listen to simple instruction. It's what I'm using to beg you, please. So zero deposit, all jobs is available. But like I said, we are not doing abracadabra. We are giving you job according to your CV, because this is Canada. I don't want you to get to the immigration portal. When you are traveling in Canada, you should not be calling me Ashidemis. So if you are anything, maybe admin anything in your office, we are getting you a job related to your CV. Do you understand that? Related to your CV. We are not doing abracadabra. If you are doing, for example, security work in Nigeria, that is what you will get to. Not like you'll be doing security now, you now say I should do you manager. Me, I'm not doing abracadabra, because when you get to that Canada portal, you cannot defend yourself. Nobody should call my name. So like I said, we are doing 100% legit. According to your CV, according to your qualifications, if there's anything you have to do. So we are doing 100% legal. And like I said, it's zero deposits. But if you people used to follow my trend of Canada very, very well, that first one I posted, even when there is zero deposit, right? Depending on the procedure, because the thing is, when you are doing zero deposit, and again, aside zero deposit, the money is cheaper than that first one I posted. You get, when you are doing zero deposit, somehow the responsibility will fall on your head. You know that me, I know they work for free. So responsibility will fall on your head, and the one that I dislike most is that Canada form. If you can go online, there is this for Canada form that is very annoying. Anytime that form is involved, I like to charge money. So that's why I'm making reference to my old video, because I don't want anybody to feel like you said no deposit, so why are you charging money? And then aside that, because this is a legal procedure, legal pathway, we are not doing abracadabra, right? So your CV, it has to be, some people do not have real nice CV. So you might have to draft new CV. You know, with legal way we are doing, if it's all those abracadabra one now, I no go stress, because I go just send your CV and be sleeping. But this one I cannot sleep, because all those things you are applying for, it has to be in your CV, all those CV revamp, all those follow-up, all those anything. So please, the company, we've agreed, I'm not paying them a dime. So the money I will be charging in this video is for me, myself, and I. It's me that want to eat the money for my work. Yes. So in as much as looking at the stress that this work is going to involve, I'm supposed to charge like 500k, 1 million. People know I like money. But because I said no deposit, make people know on the reason say, I thought you said no deposit. Why are you charging? So I'll just make it 200k. I would have said 100k, but you people do you know, maybe for single, let's do it like this. For single person, I'll charge 100k. I'll just used to do like maybe like admin fee. Even this company too, I negotiated no admin fee, like we're not paying jack shit. You know, before some companies collect admin fee, but this one we're not paying anything. But the procedure, the process involved in the Canada in the process, I beg. I cannot work effectively without money. You get. So if you are single, like 100% single, your service charge will be 100k. If you are married, 200k. And please, it's not refundable. It's for me to work with you for that duration of time till your visa comes outside. You know all those passing of information, like after you send your CV, they'll say, yeah, Mr. So to Kiniko, all those jotting your mama is for me to buy Martina, to buy Malta Guinness, to buy cold water before your visa actually finishes. I've done my best to align. And if you feel like, I thought you said zero deposit, why are you charging? Please, in the name of God, if you cannot pay me 100k or 200k for my effort, please, this package is not for you. But so, okay, I'm going to look for another person that's going to do that for you. There are so many people that they will do zero deposit for you. Please, leave me alone. So that's what I'm explaining, and that's why I'm making reference to my previous videos for you to know that if there is any package that will involve anything stressful like this, I used to charge for it. Yes, I used to charge for my, but I didn't want it to be that much. So how was the duration? It's going to take less than 6 months. Less than, like I said, it's a direct work visa. It's not as if you're going on tourist visa to change. No, everything has been added to your money, visa fee. This one is a direct work visa, so you pay only after confirming your visa. Like I said, it is 100% zero deposit, but I am the one asking for deposits because of the stress involved in the job, in doing middleman between you, the company, and the funny thing is even long journey. Like, it's not like a direct. Some things I don't to say in this video. That's why it's more stress, because after collecting your CV, you have to pass it to this one, that one to pass it to that one. You know those long journey of what did he say? Is that what he said? You understand? All those type of words they give me a day. If it's that I'm talking directly with the company now, you get all those one, they make life easy. I go no say, but passing information from one person to another person to another person to another person, please, is stressful. I'm having a day go in advance, so please, I'm charging 200k for that. So this is how it's going to happen. So like I told you, so how much is the fee? Please listen attentively. If you're single, your money is 9.5 million naira. If you are family of 2 to 4, your total money is 11 million naira. The family of 5 to 7, your money is 13 million naira. Then do we have family of 9? Family of 8 to 9, your money should be around 14 million naira. Let me repeat myself. If you are single, I don't mean if you are applying singly. If you're a single person, like you are single, legally single, your money is 9.5 million naira. If you're a family of 2 to 4, your money is 11 million naira. And then if you're a family of 5 to 7, your money is 13 million naira. Then if you're a family of 8 to 9, 8 to 10, is there 8 to 10? I do not ask, but it should be like 2 million naira extra, maybe like 15 million naira. So the people that will be paying most, So please, this money is not inclusive the 200k that you're giving me, because this 200k is, I don't even know what to target. Maybe admin fee. Let me target admin fee. Yes, money for my stress, to be drinking cold water on your matter, because stay with you for 6 months, and like I said, it's because it's not like a direct this thing. So this type of work is always stressful, just like that Canada one that I posted that first time, the bounty, that one of care job. Yes, is this type of job is always very stressful. You do this one, you check this one, you be sure that the information you sent to this person reach that last person. You'll be sure that, please, that type of work is stressful. But to me, it's all this direct company, like you are the one doing directly for no charge. But you see this one, please don't be angry, I will charge for it. So this is how it's going to work. If you know you're interested, I've said the fee for you. Like I said, we are not asking for any this thing. So this is how it's going to happen, right? If you know you're interested, you send me an email or a DM, or if you're already on my WhatsApp, you ask me for my account number. I'll send you my account number. You will send me your 200k. I will receive the alert that yes, you please don't send me your CV first. I'm not, like I used to say, I'm not interested in your CV. You first send me the money first. My 200k. Oh, pure water me for the next 6 months. Oh, stress. They call it stress money. After seeing the money in my account, you are talking. So now you not forward me your CV. I'll not forward your CV to them. That one will not forward it to them. We will now give you a list of jobs that you can apply to. We will now send it to you. You will now pick. Once you've now picked, you will now send us your remaining documents like your passport, your... Is bank statement needed? They didn't talk about bank statement. I doubt it. But if bank statement is needed, that one should not be an issue. We'll see. I did not ask it. Just forward your this thing. So we'll not continue like that. So any update that they give me about your application, I'll be passing it to you. And again, another reason why I'm charging for it is because I'll be adding you to my WhatsApp. Because I cannot be chatting you immediately after payment. I'll give you my WhatsApp number. Yeah, so that it will be easy for me to communicate with you, because I can't be going to the email. And for everybody on my WhatsApp, they know that they are paid applicants. So me, I can't do Oshofi. Aside that time that I was taking number. Yes. So me, I cannot do Oshofi for giving my WhatsApp number and be passing information and be doing alarm, you know. Me, I don't used to work like that too. So if you know you cannot afford 100k, I be 200k to pay for my stress, please, in the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, just be watching my video, be swiping and be passing. So which other question? And the thing is accommodation inclusive? There are some jobs that comes with accommodation, but I don't talk about it because I don't want somebody to say I want a job that has accommodation. No, I don't want that one. So the thing is, shall be flexible. If accommodation come with your own fine, if it does not come, what for me low penny. And the accommodation, it can be all this 1 month accommodation. It can be throughout the duration of your visa. Then how many years is the contract? I did not ask you how many years visa. I didn't ask, but it's always 1 year and above. It's 1 year, 2 year and above. And the thing is, it's always extendable, is renewable, is all the ables, is all the ables. Then we should that question. And another question I want to ask is the 200k refundable? I've said it in this video. It's not refundable. Abi, will you refund me for my stress? I'll be doing form. I'll be passing your CV up and down. Okay, my job. Will you refund me? So come in your plane too, but of course it's 90.99% assurance, 99.9. Like, and I say it's a direct work visa. Yeah. But I cannot do that type of work for free. Yes, don't be angry with the type of work, Lover. I cannot. Yes. So, if you know you're interested, you can send a mail, you can send a DM, and I can't wait to have you people on board. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next tour. Bye for now.